Hi friends, Namaskar. I am Gopinath, KP Stellar Astrology, Bangalore Research Center. My WhatsApp number 988 Mobile number 8296210016. Okay, today I am talking about astropalmistry. What is the connection of astrology and palmistry? Is there any real connection? Is it true? Astrology is it true or false? 100% true. I will prove the chart and palmistry. This is the person chart. This is the form. Okay. I write the lines in board. Okay. First we see chart, astrology. Saturn in Lagna, so Vruchik Lagna, then Mars 2nd house, Jupiter 4th house, Rahu 6th house, Sun Mercury 7th house, Venus 8th house, Ketu 12th house. Person asking, how is my marital life? So we can check he is a sexy or unsatisfied person. We can check that one. Okay. Saturn is Lagna. Saturn aspect 7th house. So Sun Mercury there. Okay. When Saturn aspect 7th house, it gives some problem about person. Okay. Then Venus in 8th house. Mars aspect 7th aspect Venus. So Mars opposite Venus. Okay. Saturn aspect 3rd aspect 1 house. So person has a very sexy person but unsatisfied. He addicted the sex and drug. He will make a more money, lakhs, but he will destroy all for last time. So when he earn money, he will try to buy a properties. Otherwise, he will not escape. Okay. Jupiter in 4th house. So person will big body. Why? 4th house is Karaka for one big person, big amount. Suppose money, you take money, 2nd house is money, 4th house is more money, then 6th house is then more money, 8th house is that is more money, 10th house is lot of money. So here we take the person how is body. Body is 4th house tells is a Jupiter. So increasing body. Anytime he is increasing body. He also have 100 kgs. Okay. That is main problem for 2nd house. What is the 2nd house? Saturn, Mars in 2nd house. So that is Jupiter, owner of the Jupiter. Here also Mars Jupiter connection, 2nd house. So 2nd house throws this spots. Okay. 2nd house and 3rd house indicates the neck. 2nd house last degrees and 3rd house first degrees also shows the neck. So thyroid is there. is second house ending period, ending degree, then third house first degree, we can observe the thyroid or transit. When thyroid is problem, here Venus also problem. 8th house, Venus is in 8th house. So hormone problem gives. When hormone problem gives, thyroid is first main problem is thyroid. Okay. Then Venus in 8th house, Mars opposite aspect. So person is very sexy person, but same time he is not available in Venus. So he use some others. That is the chart tells. Okay. We can check the palm. Our chart and palm is right or wrong. Okay. Here, Nadi astrology, we can check the Dharma, Trikona, Rahu Mars conjunction. Okay. Then, Artha, Trikona, Moon, Sun, Mercury conjunction. Kama Trikona, Ketu, Venus, Jupiter conjunction. Then Moksha Trikona, Saturn is there. Okay. Then Saturn aspect Sun. When Saturn aspect it is a sannyasi. So there is no sex available in home. That is the main part. But he is sexy. How he control? Then third house aspect Saturn, own house. Then second house also Mars there. How is his sexual life? He forced wife, but Venus is conjunction of Ketu. She is not giving spiritual. Okay. Then Venus Ketu conjunction there is in chart. We can check. Okay. First we can check the Jupiter. Jupiter here left side is natural hand, then right side is working hand. So right side is he gained the all the things. Left side is natural available. What is natural available? That is left side. Okay. Now we can check the our planets. Is it right or wrong? Okay. First Rahu Mars. Here left side there is Mars. So Mars conjunction Rahu. Mars here we check this line, Mars line. Mars starts moon one like a fork. That fork means serpent's mouth. So that is dragon head. Here Mars Rahu conjunction, so that is right. Then Moon Sun Mercury. So here Moon Mercury aspect Saturn. That is right or wrong. Here we can check the Moon. Here we can check Moon. Moon line start. Here Saturn line, this one is Mercury line. So this one go to, this line go to Sun. Here Moon Saturn conjunction is there. Here also you can check. This one is Saturn, then go to Moon. Starting here there is no starting Moon. Mercury connection, then Sun connection. So when Mercury Sun connection is a very brilliant. Okay, he earn more money. But what is the difference of left and right? Here we can observe the Venus Rahu conjunction 1, that is there is no available in right hand. So Venus griddle. So it gives, what is it gives mean, that is very sharp mind, gives good education or sharp mind, but it gives sexual problem, addiction, alcoholic, or addiction sex. He spend money, he earn money more, but last time he will spend all for zero. So he will sannyasi. So moon aspect Saturn. So here we can check that one, right? Person is very sexy. Sexy or not, how to check? This Venus line. Venus line start, one line start to moon mount. Then one line end to Venus line, Venus mount. So Venus line start to, one is moon and Venus connection. So when moon Venus connection, person will go to other person, other sex, opposite sex, right? So here, so person is a very sexy, understood? Then when Venus start in moon mount, that gives diabetic or sexual problems. Okay, HIV, like if it is not care, it will come to HIV. Okay. So how is marital life, he asking na? So how is husband and wife? Here Venus conjunct Ketu and Jupiter. So here Venus line, you see the small lines, tickles, that is Ketu, like a dragon head tail. So that is Venus Ketu conjunction. When Venus Ketu conjunction, so person is not fulfillment of desire in wife. Okay, then when Venus Ketu conjunction, person is, wife is spiritual mind. Okay, here showing starting time, that is the problem. Here person is thyroid. Okay, how to find out thyroid? We can check the Jupiter line. Here Jupiter also conjunction, Jupiter Rahu conjunction. Here Jupiter line end to Jupiter line start to Jupiter mount. So Jupiter is a very sensitive person. Okay, right. But Jupiter line fork, conjunction of Rahu. When Jupiter line conjunction of Rahu, person thinking is sexuality. Okay, here that one also fork. So in this area gives the thyroid or lungs problem, shows thyroid or lungs problem. Here we can commit the lungs or thyroid problem. When thyroid problem, it comes to lungs, then after we can go to kidney. So both will definitely he will have. This one is very good line, but here influence line, that one. Okay, here we check the left side, there is no conjunction of Rahu. Here we can check the line, this Mars line, not Mars line, Jupiter line, near to come to the under the Mars line. So person thinking is, then sometimes at the early age his mind and heart both are same. Okay. When then here Mars also conjunction. So our Mars Rahu conjunction, here Mars shows, but this one there is no conjunction right side, but left side only show. Left side was there is natural person. Natural is here Mars conjunction Rahu. So here give the some problem, some operation. Where it is operation? So he has a problem about then thyroid and then sexual problem also there. So we can observe care the, otherwise you will come to some Jananendriya problem. That is the astropalmistry. When you read any horoscope, palmistry is the correct. Everything there is in palmistry. R.J. Rao explain lines, how conjunction of lines. That is the 100 hundreds. I already sent the book name also. So we can check the everything in astro and palmistry. Our what is in our chart, that is we can observe with the palm also. So both are same for me. Any astrologer know the astrology, that is palmistry very easy. You predict the prediction is very easy. Why? That is, you know astrology predictions. Here what is the conjunction out there? When Mars moon Venus moon conjunction, astrology Mars moon conjunction gives, he is a very sexy person, go to other side. So it is the very easy. Then moon Saturn conjunction, mental disturbance, mind disturbance. So we can find out very easily. Thank you.